Okay, so tonight we're on scene. We're gonna go sneak into Steven's office. We're gonna kill him.
Buzz. Come on, Karen. Buzz us in. Buzz. Buzz. That took forever. She didn't even buzz. Now she goes, thanks, Karen. Go, go, go. I gotta reload my gun!
You scared me to death.
What'd we do?
You shot me.
With what?
Are you dead?
Nerf dart gun.
Are you dead?
I am, I'm dead.
Good.
We killed him!
We killed him at the corner!
Bye-bye!